are mad. I took them out of the whelping box, which they were climbing out of anyways. And they need to learn to go on the paper and to have a bed and to have food. And they've already been into the food. One is wearing some food. Aren't you, little guy? The little white guy. And the little white long-haired one is here. The tan spots. And the little girl is right there. Oh, they're mad. They want out of the pen. Let me out. Let me out. And Susie can't console them, but give them 24 hours, they'll be fine. They get over it. Get out of the food, you. Don't lay in it, little guy. There you go. It's gonna be messy for a while, but they learn. Don't dunk your brother's head. This little man's available. Yes, that little boy. This little girl might be available. She's the smallest.